Good morning, hello and welcome back to BTHQ Banter week 52. Now I'm more than aware that actually it isn't the 52nd week of the year. It's not the 52nd week of the year until next week, but somewhere along the lines I've obviously missed a week, skipped a week, numbered a week wrongly, somewhere. So if anyone can be bothered to look back in my BTHQ Banter playlist and tell me where I've went wrong, that would be great. But for me, this is the final week of BTHQ Banter. It is the last week that I'm going to be running classes and the last week that we are open. And this BTHQ Banter will be going up on Christmas Eve and will be the last one that you will see. And in fact, sad news, it will be the last one in the current format that you see now. It has been an absolute pleasure to do BTHQ Banter every single week for the past 2 years. I'm very proud of saying I haven't missed a week, even if it's been a very short little video that's gone up. But the time that it takes to do, and especially over the last few months, to me, I just can't do it again in 2021. So I've made the decision it's not going to go completely. BTHQ Banter will still exist, but it's going to be a monthly video. So it'll be a roundup of the things that happen in the studio. So they'll be longer, obviously, won't be quite so short. There'll be a lot more making because you'll get a roundup of all of the different classes and all of the things that go on here. And anything major that happens in the studio will still get captured, but it just won't be uploaded on a weekly basis. So it's not going for good. It will still be there, but once a month you will get your BTHQ Banter video. So I will probably upload it at the end of each month so that you can see what's happened. So the next one will be January. I will be trying to put some other stuff up on my channel for you though. Some more tutorials, some more crafty bits and pieces, and some more what I've been sewing videos if I ever get around to filming them. So anyway, there's a class going on next door. Although we are in tier 3, we are still allowed to operate classes under the close contact provision as long as we follow the COVID guidance, which is brilliant. So it's meant that today's classes and tomorrow's classes, which were the last classes scheduled in the diary, can still go ahead. So let's go next door and see what mandala baubles people are painting.
And then with your
here they are. Bauble painting. Hey Angie.
Hello.
How are you?
Very good.
Be your sexy visor. Maria's here, Helen's here, Jenny's here. Can we all say hello everyone?
Hello everyone.
Is it nice to be back?
Yeah.
Oh, awesome. Let me see what you're up to, Helen. If we're a bit muffled, that's because we're all masked up. Oh, so we're doing bauble mandalas. These are going to look lovely. And Maria's actually doing the snowflake mandala. So, oh, we've got a very festive one here. This is nice. Proper Christmassy colours. I'll come back in a bit later once everyone's got a bit more done. Everybody's finished. Show us yours, Angela. Oh, hang on. Let's get it to focus. There we go. Oh, so pretty.
Oh, thank you.
Let's have a look at Jenny's. Oh, you went for a gold one. Very lovely. Beautiful. Yeah. Helen's, wow, dots. That's like a chandelier. I love it.
It is like a chandelier, you're right.
Fabulous. Maria's done her snowflake. Oh, that's gorgeous. Oh, I love that you've done it on a bauble shaped hoochie.
Snowflake thing, isn't it? Oh,
a bauble shaped hoochie. MDF shape, you know what I mean? Yeah. Lovely. And a very festive one here. Let's get that to focus. Beautiful.
It is.
Lovely. Obviously Angie's bought all of her lovely bits and pieces as she always does.
Change it. So if I take the rubbish.
You're going to have to put up with my muffled voice, but I'm just going to show you what this afternoon's mandala people have made because I think they're extra special. Particularly this beast. Look at that. Let's focus in. This is a bright pink bauble. How pretty is that? We've got a black one from Mum. And this one's very pretty. This is like a bit Turkish kind of inspired, isn't it?
I like that, like peacock feathers.
Peacocky, yeah. So we need to say a special hello to my viewers. Are we going to say hello to a certain someone?
Hello, Elsa.
These lovely ladies have come all the way from southwest London, but they've been recommended by the lovely Elsa, one of my clients and customers. So I know she watches BTHQ Banter. This is a beautiful Christmassy one. I'm just having to try and zoom into them. There we go. That's gorgeous. I like these, that they're on turntables, Angie, because we can spin them around. Oh God, you've forgotten what dot you were working on now, haven't you?
I can find it.
I'm so sorry. I shouldn't interfere.
What she's trying to show you.
Oh, we're passing through past. This is a good method. Put them on a stick. So, let's stop them spinning. Shall we get out of focus so quickly? There we go. Look at those. So pretty. I love these ones. I like the colour scheme actually on that. It's really nice.
Suffragettes.
Oh yeah. Give me a twirly of your top, Hannah. This is what Leslie was making last week, and the camera didn't film it. So give us a twirl in our lovely Santa. Super duper, it looks gorgeous on you, doesn't it? Well done, Leslie. As I said, didn't film last week, which was really annoying, so I'm glad I've got to see that. Brilliant. Right. I am going home, but I shall leave these lovely ladies doing their mandala baubles, the 3rd session, and then we'll be back again tomorrow for another 3 sessions, so I'll see you then. Bye. Good morning, hello and welcome to BTHQ Banter. Again, it's Saturday. We've just missed the lovely Becky. She's just come in and bought some fabric, but she bought some of the cuddle fleece, and while I've come to put it back, look who's nesting. Now, you might wonder how he got there. It certainly wasn't me putting him there, but I think I can explain it much easier just by doing this. Beg your pardon, what? Me? Not me. Wouldn't be me. Innocent. Innocent until proven guilty. We've got another mandala class happening this morning. Can we say hello, everyone? Hello. Yay, we've got some returnees. How many times have you done this class now?
This is the 3rd. I've done 3rd.
4th for you, 3rd for you. Love it. You haven't done baubles before though, no. Baubles are new. We've got the lovely Sue and Sarah here, enjoying some family time together. Super, can't wait to see. Oh, did you get the last pink one, Sarah? Brilliant, maybe. Good morning, it is Monday, it is raining, it is dismal. What a pants couple of days. Obviously I left at lunchtime on Saturday, leaving the lovely Angie to run our final bauble class, and during that bauble class Bojo decided to tell us that we were going into tier 4, so that means complete and utter lockdown again for us. A lot of people's Christmases have been well and truly ruined. Thankfully, I'm hopeful that my family Christmas should still be able to go ahead as planned. But yeah, for a lot of people, it's crap. It also means that we've had to close immediately. Literally from Sunday morning, non-essential retail was forced to close. Thankfully, obviously we've got no more classes, which is great, but I had hoped to be open all day today and all day Wednesday for people to come and get their last minute Christmas presents. But I'm going to remain open today for click and collect only, but then I've made the decision that that's that. I'm shut then until after Christmas. And my lovely mum's just arrived. Hey mummy!
Hello, what a lovely day.
Disgusting, isn't it? So she's come to help me just clean and tidy and sort out and get everything sort of back to normal, so we can leave it all nice and lovely, ready for when hopefully we can reopen in the new year. But who knows whether we will be able to or not. It is all in the hands of Boris Johnson. So on Friday night I did a live stream in my Mrs. Mac group about me time, and we talked about the fact that my mum was baking mince pies for her me time, and I said, well, I sincerely hope you bring me some on Monday. Elspeth piped up and said, I sincerely hope you bring me some on Monday too. So we have
some.
Look, we have mince pies. Household bubble mince pies, last bubble morning.
Shop bought pastry, I must admit. No, you did say
Oh, I did know that. I did know that.
Any pastry is a treat.
Any pastry is good pastry, so we're going to enjoy our mince pies. So Simon's going home for Christmas with his auntie Elspeth. You can stay with her for 2 weeks, Simon. Don't have to come back till the new year.
He's
Bye.
excited to go see Benny and me.
So that's that. The end of BTHQ Banter week 52 as it stands. So we've tidied, we've cleaned, everywhere's good to go, everyone's orders have got sent out, everyone who was due to click and collect has clicked and collected, and I'm done for Christmas. I will pop back at some point between Christmas and New Year just to post any orders that might come in. If I don't get any in, I won't come in, so please do still order online because I would like to come in. And then I'll come back to you in the new year. The next BTHQ Banter that you see will be at the end of January because, as I discussed in the last video, I'm going to go to monthly BTHQ Banters. I just think that's going to be a little bit easier for me. I think January's is going to be pretty boring because, if I'm honest, once we come out of Christmas, I think we're looking at least another 2 months of complete and utter lockdown. But who knows, it will then have been an entire year of crap. But positives that have come out of this year, we've had a fantastic load of new people joining the community via the online classes and groups. I've met so many more of you. I've invited so many more of you into our online sewing club, which has been amazing. We've had some brilliant Zoom get-togethers. I've done some lovely online classes. We opened a pop-up fabric shop, which has been a huge success, and we'll continue doing that in 2021. So I mustn't be all doom and gloom about the year. It has been really good in many other ways, and it's just been such a shame that we've all had to deal with so much rubbish. But I'm going to put my positive pants on. I'm going to have a couple of weeks off. I'm going to chill out as much as I can, enjoy the family as best I can, and come back at you in January with an all singing, all dancing repertoire of wonderfulness. That's the plan anyway. So thank you very much for watching. I will see you all in 2021. Bye.